RUNE USDT Overview. Trading Style, Spot. Timeframe, Midterm. Margin Mode, Isolated. Signal Type, Swing Trade. Target Timeframe, about a month between TPs. Entry Levels. Safe Entry Point at Entry Point, 8.515 to 9.110. Take Profit Targets. Target 1, 10.050. Target 2, 12.081. Target 3, 14.380. Target 4, 16.142. Target 5, 18.798. Stop Loss. Stop Level, 5.392. Important note. Dear traders, remember to move your stop loss to your entry or previous take profit after reaching any take profit target. This helps protect your profits and limit losses if the market turns against you. Additional tip. Enter your trade after a pullback for a better entry price. Risk Management. Prudent decision-making and risk management are essential for successful trades. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment for spot trading to maximize participation while effectively managing risks.